Obviously, I look like a complete mess, but if you would like to see me going from this to this, then keep watching, because this is going to be a rich Eid transformation. This is my natural hair. I haven't brushed them. I washed them last night. We're going to transform them, and we're also going to transform my face. Yes, my base is done a little bit. We're going to touch up a little bit. Yeah, base takes me a long time, so that is going to be a separate video. Today we're going to focus on the eye makeup, the lips, the hair, and then I will change into something beautiful. So by the end of this video, you should get the rich vibes from me. So the rich 𝗦𝗍𝗍. So let's start with my makeup. Oh, before we get into the video, make sure you do subscribe and hit like if you like these kinds of videos, and if you want more tutorials from me, obviously do let me know down in the comments. Obviously, all the products will be linked in the description so you can check them out. And for now, we need a really nice transition or like a base for my crease. So I'm going in with a nice nude brown color. Oh my god, the mirror of this palette is huge and so many colors. The nude base is done. Now I'm going to go in with a darker brown color, which is this one here. So once your crease is done, I'm going to go in with a nice shimmery color. I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill palette and use this champagne color right here. And I will apply this color on my lid, covering my whole lid. Now, because I want the color to be a bit more warmer, I'm going to take this nice camel kind of color from the Jaclyn Hill palette and go in with this color on my crease once more. I'm going to take a highlighting color from the NARS palette, apply that in the inner corners of my eyes, and just a little bit on the brow bone. Just to add a little extra sparkle, which I cannot live without, it's this beautiful eyeliner. If you see my previous Eid transformation look that I just did last week on my channel, I know I've used this one there too. That's just how I am. When I like an item, I have to use it every single day. So I'm going to use this one again. And what we're going to do with this glittery eyeliner is just create a little round lid line. No, create a little, what am I saying? Create a little line over my lid, rounding it out like this. Same on the other side. Just follow your crease from the front. Oh my god, I love it. Next thing I'm going to do is apply an eyeliner, a very thin line from the front. As you can see, I gave myself a very small little tail at the end. That's how I like it. Now, if you like a smoked out, softer look, you can of course smudge your eyeliner with a brush, but I like it defined like this. I'm going to leave it like this. Next thing I want to do is apply a little kajal. Now, usually my waterline is always very light in color. You guys have already seen that from all my photos and videos, but this time we're going to do like a black kajal pencil. This is from Yves Saint Laurent. I don't know what it's called. I'm sorry. I'm going to link it anyway so you guys can check my description. Oh wow, I have never done a black waterline. Probably maybe just once every 3 years. I just feel like it makes me look like one of those witches, you know? Nagin type चुड़ैल नहीं जैसे होती, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं वैसे लगती हूँ. You understand my point? Ouch. Okay, my eyes are so sensitive. Applying a waterline eyeliner is... But I think I did a great job, so. And next thing I'm going to do is apply my beautiful little lashes. My eyebrows, I'm using this little Maybelline pencil that I just recently got, and I think it's really useful for me. I love the color. As time goes by. And that's that. I'm using now a mascara because these lashes are so basic. Literally, I think I could use some mascara. If you're somebody like me who likes to use their eyelashes like 1,000 times because I'm really stingy when it comes to my lashes, then in that case make sure you don't apply mascara. But because this is just the look that I'm going for, I need a lot of mascara today, and I know that after this mascara application, these lashes, I won't be able to use them again. Plus, I think I've used them enough already anyway. So I already have a base. I do want to put a little concealer just to freshen up everything and matte out my face from the T-zone area. I'm going to apply a powder on top of this. I do blend my concealer with my fingers. I just think with the warmth of my skin, of my fingers, the concealers blend just seamlessly, flawlessly into the skin, hiding my pores as well. But of course, if you have open pores issues, then you better visit 𝗓𝗏𝗡𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 weekly vitamin C mask, because those are the products that is going to take care of your even skin tone as well as of your pores. And of course, they make your skin brighter also. And now I better hurry because I also have a Patreon live discussion to do today. Today we are talking about toxic family members and how to cut off toxic family members step by step. So I really wanted to discuss that today with my Patreon members only. So if you would like to join me there and discuss some serious topics and inbox me whatever is your serious issue going on in your life, then I could do a breakdown and do a live dedicated just to you. But that is only on my Patreon. So go and become a member. You can also become a VIP member, and you can also become a family VIP member on my Patreon. I'm gonna go in with this compact powder by Misha. It also has SPF 35. Again, these are also available at 𝗍𝗏𝗡𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 because my skin is so damn glowy. It's not oily, my skin is just glowy, and getting it to go matte is so hard for me. And this powder does exactly that. Do you see how much coverage this powder has? For full glam, this powder is amazing. However, for everyday use, I would not recommend it because it can get a little cakey because it has a lot of coverage. And any powders that have a lot of coverage tend to go a little cakey over the day. So this is like a full glam product, not an everyday product. Let's do a little blush. I love this little palette. I'll link it for you guys. It's from NARS. And look at what it just did. I don't scratch humans, I scratch my makeup. A little bit on my nose. Oh, cutie! Who is this girl? Next thing I'm going to do is take a little bit of a brown eyeshadow from the Jaclyn Hill palette and just draw 2 lines on the side of my nose and just blend them in. On my face, my nose is the only part that I like to contour. I don't like to contour my whole damn face. I think it makes you look very old, and I like a youthful, fuller face kind of look, so that's what I do. We can also use the brown eyeshadow just a little bit under the eyes. I'm also going to use the warm tone color that we used on the crease under my eyes as well, just so the kajal doesn't look out of place, and it makes your eyes look a bit bigger and more defined also. Look at these long lashes I have, naturally long lashes. Thanks to my Glam Lash Serum, I usually don't tend to need too much mascara now on my lower lashes. They have grown a lot. And now that I do, I'm very happy. I mean, look at those lashes, can you see those? Yeah, I never had that before. Now keep watching till the end. I'm gonna do my lips at the very end. First, I wanna do my hair. It's a full rich bitch transformation. And I don't like to do my hair when I already have a lipstick on. So I'm gonna do a lipstick at the very end. I don't think I would ever like to be worried about hair fall or anything. I already have a lot of stress in other departments of life. I don't want my hair to be a source of stress for me too. So I use the Glam Growth Hair Oil every single week for the health of my hair and scalp. I mean, look at the fullness of my hair. The oil obviously is one of the secrets that I use on my hair. However, there's another one, which is a heat protectant. I style my hair all the time. So what do you think? Duh, you need a good hair protectant and you need a great hair oil. So about the hair oil, I already told you what is the best on the market ever. It's the 𝗓𝗏 Cosmetics Glam Growth Hair Oil. Give that a try, you're gonna die for that. And the next thing, of course, you need a good hair protectant. I have been recently using this one here and I don't think it's bad. I actually quite like it. It does not let my hair go greasy, so that's a good thing. And because I want to straighten my hair today and not style them curly or anything else, I'm gonna just make them straight and simple. It really flattens your hair. It's not even a joke. You spray it on and then you brush it and you will see your hair getting quite flat. So it makes the process of straightening your hair very easy. Now, do you see my hair getting flat? That's what the spray does. I literally just do 2 sections, one on the left, one on the right, and that's how I straighten and style my hair. So I keep taking small strands from behind, style them, and throw them at the back.
As time goes by.
When you have a lot of hair, it takes a long time to just even straighten them. Finally, I think I'm done. For my hair, what I would like to do is leave little small bangs here, just a little portion of it, and lift a few hair and just take these little clips and tie them up. It's just very girly and very cute and very simple at the same time. So I'm just using these little clips here. I'm gonna leave a little bit of this out and lift a few hair and a little clip like this. I'm gonna round them out a little bit so they contour my face nicely. You see that? Oh, like so. Perfect. Now with the lips, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply a MAC red lip liner. I think I outlined them really nicely, and now I'm gonna apply a beautiful red lipstick. This is my favorite ever color. I will link this for you guys. It's from Sleek Cosmetics. Just look at this shade of red. It has the exact amount of blue undertones, and it just goes so well with my skin tone. And I'm changed already. At the end, I do have to fix my makeup, so I'm gonna use the Youth Glow Toner from Isha Cosmetics. It also helps your makeup stick on your face for a long period of time. 2 sprays. It smells amazing. It's like the best mist and toner ever. And of course, you can also use that as a spray to fix your makeup and then apply your highlighter. Cupid's bow. A little bit on the nose. And that's my look for the day, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Now let me show you guys a little bit of a zoom in so you can see my makeup clearly.
As time goes by.